Scham sagt der Meister dafür Tresse mit Alef, nicht maß gibt der so wahrscheinlich ein bisschen durch scham über mir so ich gehe mit Bass. מעשרות für Yerushalmi. Die Gemara der Yuzayna mit Bezer bei sei steht in the middle of the Yom 6-7 lines on top. Reb Hillel v'Shem Reb Elazar Kishem shehein chalukim kan ka chalukim b'chotze b'yishmura. The Omer Rabbi Yochanan Mekach v'chotze b'Shabbos einam Torah. There's really six things that we have the next page that the Chacham said ukevei for Ma'aser. They were Chacham. Like the Rambam says in Pi Hashmua. That's Rambam listed in Pei Gimel. Allah Gimel echad mishisha dvarim kevei leMa'aser. Veilu hein habayis v'hamekach v'eish v'hamelech v'atruma v'Shabbos. V'kulu mein koyvim elo b'dover shenigma malachim. That's 6. Dus is the Gemara that what Rabbi Yochanan mekach b'chotze b'Shabbos einam Torah. What's up is dry? Where was me down to the dry? Them zook the Rikukas and Pei Vov. Pei Daled. Halacha Beis was nechten gered the Rambam Yirli shein loikin elam nikva b'shah hashisha dvarim im time lama tola adova b'Yirli. Double kasha was the case of Mishnah fact. Why is the Rambam totally b'Yirli? It's a double portion. It's not only the Rabban. The Rambam last passing the lines, not the Rabban. So it's not the Rabban. The Shlok HaMalkus was the Yirli. Look to do azoi. Okay, Kaninska, I said the Shlokish Rabbi Yossi by Yehuda. I feel the Yisbek Rabbi Chaime. Yeah. Amechuvish bekulam chotze ba'is u'shmira. Mother Gvaita Amechuvish bekulam ba'is u'shmira. From the 6, for sure, is ba'is u'shmira. What's his mechuvish b'hem? Alkem Ikir Nami Yushalmi V'Shpei Daled B'chai Koser Rabbeinu B'chus Apei Ein HaTeva B'Mischai B'Maisa Min HaToira Tzket Chav Daled Zeks Chei Mucha B'Niton Rabbi Yanai B'Lishne Ein HaTeva B'Mischai B'Maisa Atshira P'nei Abayis Mashma Den Dova Acha Kevei Oisi Klal Noda Riz P'nei Abayis. All these 6 things are not the Rabbanos. Those episodes the Zuk the Gemara do the dry. Amechuvish bekulam. What's the dry? V'Ikir Oyer Melech V'Shabbos V'Truma V'Mekach Lavade min ha-Torah koma. The shari loikavi el medrabbanon. Sham lesekro el labayis im kain inich derabbanon hu. Mizeh shekos rabbeinu k'vi shubanu b'pi hashmua kloima. It's not derabbanon. Kim di alfinim mikro el labayis. Sheit no ba'ati ha-kodesh min ha-bayis. Only the bayis midraisa. Mashma dinich ilu medrabbanon. Kodesh derabbanon shekesabti. So what is yes do the Gemara Mekach b'chotze b'Shabbos ein min ha-Torah. Says the die. Dat was ein 6. Was happens that dafke die 3? Let's take the Rikukas. And the Rambam himself, in Redwing Yirli, Shein Loikim in HaTorah, Al-Achidus HaTeva, Shikovi B'Knisos V'Lebayis, K'mo Shuban and Pi Hashmua. So, it's a Pshat Yirli, the Rambam hat Chasofik in the Rein. Rambam always can say the Reis, can say the Rabbanah. And the Zichur. Shein Loikim in HaTorah, Al-Achidus HaTeva, Shikovi B'Knisos V'Lebayis, which Avalim Nikra B'Shah Hashish Dvorim. The Al Zeks is a Shofik in the Rambam. It could be that these Zeks Zachens are not the Reisa. The Chol Mashma, Yirli, Pshat Rambam Chasofik. Ashiyosh and Nish, right? So, what's that Nish? Could be that these 6 things are attack at the Reisa. We can design the Reisa. In the Gemara, though, steht doch 3 sind in der Rabbanon, kannst du sagen, Pshat in the Gemara, 3 sind in der Reisa, 3 sind in der Rabbanon. Aber der Rambam sagt, Yirli, ob alle 6, the Mashma der Rambam got Atzad, and he's not pushing it. He's like, Yirli, mir gefällt es, it doesn't bring a Rai from anywhere. We can't call it Torah Kula. Bringt doch kein Rai auf der Rai. Huh? Was? No, it's a Ma'aser. It's a Ma'aser. Don't shas a Teva. It's a Teva. As Teva. Schon genommen in the the Trume Gedoyle, Kamisa nicht da, Nachten gerät, ja. Es ist am Abend der Teure. Es war Malkus. Der Malkus. Das ist ein Schlafschäme, weißt du. Look, was the Rabbana, was dog, Kvias Bris Mei Abayis, only Bris Mei Abayis is Kiveya. And this is by him as Sofis, the can design, at these sechs Sachen and Euchet Kiveya. Nicht darf Bris Mei Abayis. So he himself says it's only the Rabbana. Not to look to Yideli as can sein of the Malchus. So that's not Magret Abshat as can sein on the Malchus is a Mesupik. Well, the Malchus is a Mesupik. What's I mean Tevel this is? A Tevel, much an organ the Truma Gedoyle. Took off the Truma Gedoyle is not geblieben the Lav. Do that's the Lav. So this means the Truma Gedoyle should organ can sein in der Tzad be Ris Mei Abayis in the Lav. Like Suchel Lechel B'Shirechel the Lav. Can sein the Lav. It's like nicht wie der Rabbana. Aber in the andere Din, this can sein this Din is like the Reis. And the Ris Mei Abayis is not gesagt in the Etzem Tevel so Yesh by Misa. Not the Din has another Rabbana. Ris Mei Abayis the Rabbana. In this Din can sein as the Keveya the andere sechs as the Keveya mit der Reis. This is going to Tzara Sofik in the Ram. I was Ram Paskin Frier. Paskin Frier does that's in the Truma Gedoyle. We Nishuragam the Truma Gedoyle dort in the Zichon not the Rabbana. I'm nicht in der Din. In der Din kann sein stark der Reis. Aber he says something here noch Hazach. Look noch Hazach. In the Zaba Loche in Perik Dal Loche Beis look the yearly aber nikva b'shah shish dvorim shemeninu ein loikim olav elamakis madas medeveya. V'chein ha'oichel mipeidah shedaitin la'lichon l'shuk acha shenigma malachtam ein loike elamakis madas k'mo shebiyanu shein hagoyim elimka chayiv b'maseh ela medeveya. What's chazal tibet the Rambam over here als the mecher? The six things that are nishno mecher. What's chazal tibet aber nikva b'shah shish dvorim is any like minatoya, good, whatever pshat is, I believe look at that. The chain, the same halacha beis, oichel mi peidah shedaita lichel neshuk, acha shenik memalachton, was shedaita limkor, ain't a loike, ela makis madas, so it's another rabbanon, the mechir is that, shein agoy me limkor, chayi b'maisa, ela medrabon. What was chassid to ribbe? He looks at all the six things. One of the six things is mekah. Do that to chagoy me l'shuk, is achet mekah. What's after even chassid nacham, look, there's no medeveim. What's the chazor in the line? What's after Sibachad? Okay. We're going to start the same door in the Mishnah. Let's see the Mishnah. Look at the Heilige Mishnah. Yitches Amar Aleph. Ha'imel ha'chaveiroi. Heilig is ze be'esem teinim she'ever li boider boichel. Somebody says to the Kei Azok to the Moiche, for this Issa, give me 20 teinim. She'ever li was ich lois chleim the teinim was ich will. Is boider boichel. I can do boider sein in oichel and medaf mishkem kamaisa. There's no kriyas amaisa. Talked about the plain Moshe. If I was, but esem teim she'ever li shani ever le'atzmi ich lois kleiben ve'etloish ich hab rupreisen von the karka. There's very mechuber the karka. Boider achas b'oichel. I can nemen einer of amol achas b'oichel. And those heißt nicht gewege in Lemaise. But what heißt nicht gewege in Lemaise? Sagt Merafulde, poiret, no, that's not so. 1 minute. Sagt the right side. Poiret, no, she'everly, you see 5-6 lines from the top on the right side, the Rasirila. She'everly boider boichel, toilish boichel achas achas, the lekeach macht it lisha, the leket tzirif, and shokan tzirif. And no tzirif, so med achas achas, that's not kaveh lemaisa. One at a time, shunad nechten, ein nechten, that's not kaveh lemaisa, one piece at a time. Because in order that it should be kaveh, that it should be nikva, to have zayin at tzirif, doesn't shokan tzirif. Mas nisin kukula amahi, du atzmai malakav yoichel. The lekeach is a malakav, he takes what he wants, one at a time. In the Shtokan Issa, the Shtokan Kviyas, and Mela, you could eat it without giving the Maisa. So the Mishnah Vaita, the Eshkol, you're going to count all the different types of payers here. According to that, Tainim, and ultimately, the Eshkol, Shavali, grapes, a bunch of grapes, Shavali, Migarger, V'yoichel, Kanem Ein Safamol, V'riman, the pomegranates, Shavali, Poidet V'yoichel, V'yaftiach. Okay, here it gets a little bit more complicated. This is a watermelon. A watermelon, you can't schlep out one at a time from the ground. It's very gross. She'everly, soifis voichel. We say soifis voichel. What was meant as soifis voichel? Look the Azay. The Pnei Moshe. Chaim be'eshkel megarer mimenu be'ilon, garger, he takes off by eshkel, these are grapes, one at a time, one grape at a time. Berimoin, the pomegranate, boirim in ilon, echad, one pomegranate at a time. Ubaftiach, seifis, choytich, miad v'echad. It says, schneider up from the aftiach. He cuts out from the watermelon, he takes out slices. V'davke echad k'moy shemanu, sherezeh kona acha sheyitlishu, he's coined, when is he coined it? When he takes it out of the ground. But Mecca kaveh b'do ba'atolish, and Mecca is kaveh b'do ba'atolish. Hilkoch, ein mutaloi el achas, only one at a time, otherwise it's kaveh, two with the tzirif. Tolsham b'tzirifon, if he took it out, and then he's mitzvah of it, there's yochai b'maisa, Mecca is kaveh l'maisa midrabanan. Here it's not kaveh, because we're in achas, in ish kaveh. Look, the Rasul Lazai. Everly boy v'oichel, megager v'oichel, poided v'oichel, boid harima mechub megager pertzidin shal harima v'oichel. Still mechub lekarka. That's when he's mevara which one he wants to take. But aftiach steht a loshen seifis v'oichel, oisach haticha, macht a schnit in the aftiach. Shezeu sidde achilosem. Because of chesed in the aftiach, you can't bite into a watermelon. This can derech chesed nazoi. Now, schneidet it up from the watermelon and takes what he wants. But that's mechuba lekaka. Mechuba lekaka, vetnish can kivias. Look the Mishnah weiter. Aval im omaloi be'esim teinu elu. In the first ratio, he says, "Ich mo'is claim what I want from these pairs. You just give me permission to buy. I'll take out what I want. This is kivias." But if he said to the cows, look to the moicha, esim teinim ilu, these are the ones I want to take. These are the teinim ichul nemen. B'shnei hashkoilas, and there were two bunches. Elu, from these two, I want these two. B'shnei rimoinim elu, I want these two pomegranates. B'shnei haftichim elu, these two watermelons. Oicha kedarkoi upote, pavos b'nei shekonav b'mechub lekaka. That's because he was kind of mechub lekaka, but it was not mechub lekaka. Then Moses is yokeveh. Soiche es apoyel. Okay, do understand the Mishnah. The Mishnah talks about here like this: that it's not in like sachshon shobedisha. The same thing. You're not permitted to take the behemoth and close them out, not eat from the chasima when it does the tvua, the malach in the soda. Who are in by a poil? A poil eats. He works in the field. You have to let him eat. So just a machiv to give him. You have a machiv to give him. Besides the chiv that you have, that you're not supposed to, you cannot stop him from taking from the payers. So do adin for schiris. That's the schiris poil. That's matzon the schiris. Asoiches apoil the katzis betainim. He hired a worker the katzis betainim to dry out the tainim. Amaloi amna shoichel tainim. Who? He's saying I'm going to do the work for you, but I'm not shoichel tainim. I want to be able to take from the tainim, which is the halacha midaraisa. He's potter from the ma'aser. I'm not shoichel ani b'nei. I want to be able to work, and I want to also take from my children. Or she'achel b'ni b'scholi. Or the ma'azin is on them and my schar, and what's the schar? The kind soll essen. Who oichel potter? Who b'noi oichel b'chayv. The b'noi shen yochayv was. Ich kann didn't have given for essen by the skin. We about that. Ich kann didn't have given for the skin. The father was get them do schiris. But the b'noi this is kvei the ma'aser. Mele tos cheshon na ma'aser. I'm not shoichel b'shasak tzir ulachak tzir. I will noch Shasak see it in the drastic din like Sachon Shobedisha. In the middle of the habit. Of no the habit, Achak see it, and that's why he's going to tonight that he wants that he should be able to work, eat the payers, noch the habit oichid. The Shasak see oichel potter. Those are the potter pavos, but those are din and mizdach geben zessen. So Mele is not keveya. However, this is Shkameka. That's the word. The word is the zwei chiyumi. He has one chiyum in a Torah, the Sachon Shobedisha. And noch a chiyuv what du machst amekach mit him. He said to him, Father Abed, I'm going to give you this work also. It's hard to understand because a man shot at dinner, I can't ask him the payers, but like action shobedisha. And look to him, I'm going to give you the schar, I'm going to give you the schar from the payers. What's the schar it does? It's not schar and then a schiris. Schiris is not schar, it's schar. Binderish mechuyev. The Abed is from here, and Melo gave her the schar, the case doesn't pay. But do it to the chishneme from him the payers. He has to allow him to eat the payers because that's I didn't like action shobedisha. So what does me do a schar? I get them schar in the schar. Those was makta kviz mekach. Without that schar, there's no mekach here. So lab in the Torah. Aber the Mr. was Nessen. Mr. was Nessen. Was B'shat Zogam, then you put on another Tesefis, you added something on, you told him, you know what, the Abed for me, Tzul the Abed, Medem Tzul the Abed. What's that? That's not Tzul. You have to give him that. It's coming to him. It's given to him. That's the good you give. You didn't give him anything, but that's what you give. What's that mean? Schias. Was? Huh? Huh? Steht nicht. What says such thing? About then the Mishnah Vaitas talks about cheaper, more expensive. But right now it doesn't say that. It's like Sashan Shabadisha. No, it's like Sashan Shabadisha. Nishtala. The law is if he's taking these, this is what he's working. We'll say but this that's the law doesn't have it. Can't give him go buy something else. No, Bidisha. Bidisha. What's that? Okay, this about the right to the Mishnah. Okay. Okay, that's this. Okay, that's the Mishnah right. I'm not sure b'shas. Oh, okay. I'm not sure ani b'ni. Sure b'ni v'schari hu oichel poter b'noi oichel v'chai because it's not mechuyev to give the b'noi. I'm not sure b'shas ksiu lachar ksiu. Okay, b'shas ksiu oichel poter. But das was das nicht gewehr because that's kumtchem and the b'shas ksiu David. Lachar ksiu oichel v'chai. Sheinu oichel min ha'toyre. You're not oichel min ha'toyre. I can see it. He doesn't have a din. He has to give him to eat after they finish the Abed. Zeh aklal. Like the Mishnah. Oichel min ha'toyre. Eines min ha'toyre. Says b'dishoy is poter. Shein oichel min ha'toyre is chayiv. Is a chayiv of us because it's kaveh l'maiser. Oise b'levasim. It's a mekach. Yeah. But what kind of mekach? This vegach. It's nicht kein mekach. A mekach is no azar. I don't have to give it to you, and I give it to you because you gave me something. I gave you something else. You gave me work, and I pay you for the work. But what's the game? I lost the message. The mekach. What's the mekach? It's a lab in the Torah. That's the lost message. What's a mekach to do? Zukt as zukt. Yeah. Who been based? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's the chayv. I mean, says this. But those right in the Mishnah, levasim. Levasim is the cheaper grade of tainim. Lo yochel b'noi sheva. He's not allowed to eat the b'noi sheva. B'noi sheva is the more expensive one. That's diminished. B'noi sheva. Lo yochel b'levasim. Vus abed dus mislim los nesen. If he wants to go b'noi sheva, he wants to go down. You know, I don't like the b'noi sheva. I'd leave the levasim. This is a billig azar. Now I'll do it. But this shoy vus the abed. This against this. If you're eating the b'noi sheva, so you can wait till he gets to the place where there's better pays. Amachlu chaveda is there loichel v'zeh loichel, zeh liktoi zeh liktoi, zeh l'choy v'zeh liktoi is chayiv. The Pnei Moshe azoi. The Pnei Moshe asoiches apoyel. Liktoi is b'teinim, lachtoi liktoi is oisem b'miktuis. He cuts it, or l'shotchon. Either liktoi means to cutting it, or it means to dry it out. The afsham and the kaskasiyas, v'dina apoyel shoichem min ha'toyre b'oisem b'mchu l'kaka. Shaz gemar melocha, not the gemar melocha. That's when he eats. Who betoylish min hakaka, actually nigma melachtoy. If you take it out of the ground before it's the gemar, because some people say alim is before the gemar melocha. You have to let him eat. The fika roichel poter min ha'maiser favos v'lo yihavik kemeka. Zish kemeka favos. Then min ha'toyre yesh lo lachol min ha'toyre. You have to let him eat. So Melish they do in the Mishnah as well. So this says zish kemeka. Vice the Mishnah is coming to tell me. We can derech tonight machen azach was ich darf the game is so because the Torah is mechaymi can this masna sein mit der Torah as macht der Mekach. The Mishnah doctor as nishkal. But it's hard to understand. What's the have a minute? I'm not sure ani ubni who oichel poter. I've been oichel but tonight have a kemekach. The zim was the rest. He made a deal with the balabais. You have to give me and my son get the shrine the benoi in the din Torah. Fin leisachshen shobedisha. He get around a different mecca. The benoi is like a chayiv, but that's based mecca. Any moment she yochel benoi b'schoroi, v'chayiv oy b'zel b'zach, b'zel the zins lesson b'schoroi. Ain't the shessen. Instead of me, give it to my sons. Didn't Torah. The din Torah is no leisachshen. There's habit and Afghan essen. You're going to want to say, you know what? I'm not going to eat. Give it to my son. It's chayiv b'maiser. Well, that's b'disha. That's not min Torah. B'shas ha'ksiya, the oz oichel min ha'toyre poter. Lach ha'ksiya, shein oichel min ha'toyre, el b'tanai. He made it tonight. You know what? I'm not hungry now. Give it to me after the work. Das ist after Arbeit, das ist kein Ding für Mekka. I'm sorry, that's the Ding Mekka. Das ist kein Ding für Leisach Shabbat. Aber Tanai Mekka, Kuba Chai B'Maisa. Oh, Yoise, B'Levasa, Min Tainim Agruim. V'noi Sheva, Min Tainim Alevenim, B'Toivim, the better ones. Lo Yoichol, Lo Zichsela, Toire, B'Mishu, Yoise, B'Toivim. The Toire is Mezakim, Vus, Rabet, Dus Megeres. Nish man, nish weiniger. Whatever it is, that's it. And if you want to make a deal with him, then you give him something else, that's already Chai B'Maisa. That's already Mekka, it's Chai B'Maisa. Ava Menoya, Yochel HaPoilim, Noya Satzvay. Shelecha Min HaRois, he could do like this, yes, the work is over here, the Shvacha Peres, and now from now, we're going to be better Peres. That's going to be the work. I could stop eating now because I want to wait till we get to an hour later to be better Peres. That's kind of thing. That's the Torah. Whenever you're working, this stuff is getting asked. But it doesn't say you have to give it to him right this minute. You can wait till an hour from now. So sure. He makes a chalipin with a co-worker. You do this work over here. You take the pays, my pays, which I'm allowed to eat, what you're allowed to eat. Mir geschmack deine pays, and for dir geschmack the andere pays. Es chaye bekulam meises. Why? Noch einmal. Neishu kemecher, v'kvel the meises. The din is a mecher zochel b'shaloi, and we can't machen can shinuyim. Budoim b'machlav lecha v'chaye, v'liks is spot mishum the mecher ene kavei b'dover shaloi nigma malachloi. So that's the chazoi. This is the din of Leisach Shabbat Dishay is a mitnabed. So it's not nigma malachloi. The din of meises is no kavei with a kaviyas. Zogt auf dem Yehuda, Hilker, Mechlifu Shnei Lachila, Oz habe ke Hameka bedover Shnigma Malachta, Shnei Chayav Meises. Beide Mechuv Meises, is dover Nigma Malachta. Dover Nigma Malachta is a Chayav Meises. Mechlifu Shnei, and the dinner with Afesim Bezoich Meises, that's before it's Nigma Malachta. Like Sasha Shabbat Dishay, mitnabed, nur der Abed, as a Nigma, it's schon nicht different like Sasha Shabbat Dishay, bleibt schon am Mekach. Mechlifu Shneim Lichtzeit, Shneim Puturim, you can't lachal Achilas Harai. Shakzi is like Nigma Malachta. It's not Nigma, it's not Neschayim. Vein HaMekach Kavei B'dober Shloi Nigma Malachta, it's just like Yehuda, as Nish Kavei B'dober Shloi Nigma Malachta, the Im. V'mechlifu Zeh Lechav Zeh Lichtzeit, somebody was told, the one worker took the Lichtzeit, the cutting, and he took the pays from the Oishbreit and from the Veisha, Oisha Lokal Achila Chayav Lase, the fish who dover Shenigma Malachtoi, Oisha Lokal Shudei Lachsa is like Nikla Maisa, because what? It's not Shkedover Shenigma Malachtoi. The fact is that it's not Nigma, but Nishken Kaviyas. Oicha Achila Sari, Pot Balocha, Bleib, Azayvi, Rabbi Yehuda. I'm going to get a minute to Rasirila. B'noi Oicha B'chai, B'maisa, the have like a Mecha. On the sun, in the left column, 5 lines from the top, Hoyel, the Isni. You might not deny that he wanted to use the Balbai should give for his son also. Avachila did they never denied. It was Minatoida, I forgot the Isni, Loidom in the Mekach. This is Shkamekach. Vishasak, see, Shenig Ma Maloch, it's Ksiyim. What's that Ksiyim? Choyt is say, you take it out from the roots, but you slice them, you put it into a form, Shalahem, Agulim, Bekuim, Agulei, Devela, that's how you form it. You put it into a press. Achar Ksiyim, the Havigma Maloch, the Meiser, Oichel Porter, that Torah Zichselot, Torah gave it to him like Sasha Shabbatisha. Lachar Ksiyah, the Nigma Malachta, you find him, Midayish, my Dayish, Miyuchad, Shaloi Nigma Malachta, that Dayish means B'dishoy, that's before it's ending, is that was Oichel B'chayiv, that B'mekach, Nigma Malachta, that's not like Sasha Shabbatisha. That's Nog the Din for like Sasha Shabbatisha, by this Mekach. What about B'lefesim? Min Teinim Chashuvim, Pek Anodim Navushul, God B'lbusim, Fash Min, Tainim the Bidi Minai Lepada, so fancy stuff. Minai Sheva, Min Tainim Mishubachim, Kedamash Pekam the Shuas, Gumar Nafla Mikod, the Bina Mina Shata Noisan the Kaleb, Shabbat. It has to be thus with likes the 9 the Kaleb the Babai. That's what he's allowed to eat, nothing else. Not more, not less, not more. Almine here as maybe Oichel, this kind of Yotin, Kol Achilos Mehem, Upatim in a Maisa. But what's good? He doesn't have to be when lunchtime is. He makes the time for eating. He makes it whenever he wants. Even though strategically it's better for him to eat later, does let's make it. And does get to them, it didn't tell it. I was like, Sasha Bedisha. I know you asked me, Oichel, Kol Achilosa, Mehen, and Potman, and Maisa. Well, must eat and the din, Payal, and Ton of the Agab. This is a din from Payal, Medin and Poil, that's another din, Poil make a stone. Machlu Pei is behind him, Mekach. The fact that he made a Chalipim is considered Machlu Im Chaveroi. That's called Mekach. Chayim, and Fajr, what the Mehu. He besvil lay the feel of enigma, even though it wasn't enigma, Mecca cover. The Mecca is correct the mice, Chai b'mice. Isolate enigma, some likes to keep in the Rabbana, which has Paul Moll, and amazed the one oh, the enigma lachtoi is found out different kviz. The Chashiva stomach, it's not considered stomach. Why? We don't pass like a mayor. Stomach mission is a mayor, but do kaim like a Yehuda, and Yehuda says no, it has to be enigma lachtoi. Lechel Chai. That's considered diet melocha. It's up he died. I get the famous shabbos. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Both doing the same thing, but I'm taking your tzir, you take my tzir. But it's a chlip. About the chlipim. In Medina, yeah, but he's not taking what you're working. He's taking what you are. Reuben's taking from Shimon, and Shimon's taking Reuben. Both of them do the same type of work, but it's not what I'm doing. It's what you're doing. They switch.
So it's a method.
He's work. Yeah, that's a method. That's why it's hard.